So hello guys, in this video I will show you how to start segmentation on Zoho CRM. So for that you will need to open any web browser on your computer and then search Zoho CRM. Now you have to scroll down a little bit and then you have to select this website right here. Now log into your account right here and then select this profile icon, and after that select Access Zoho CRM. Now you have to go with this settings icon and select this option right here called segmentation. Now go with this button called Get Started. And now you have to fill all of these details like your segmentation name, your segmentation module, your contribution module, and just like these details, after filling up all of these details, you just need to select this button right here called Next. And after selecting this button, you have successfully created your segmentation on your Zoho CRM account. So that's how you guys can able to create your segmentation on your Zoho CRM platform. And that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share it with your friends and also subscribe to our channel for more such videos. And thanks for watching.